Today's lesson is about finding the unknown and the unknown side in a perimeter of the perimeter. Excuse me. You were sent this visual perimeters opener. If you will just work that out first and then watch this video, it'll say at the top of the paper visual perimeters. So we're going to practice finding the missing side length. The problem below, it has a missing side length. Here's what we know, bulleted list. Willis made an L-shaped pen for his pet rabbit. The pen has 6 sides. The perimeter is 10 meters. The length of 5 of the sides are 1 meter, 3 meters, 2 meters, 1 meter, and 1 meter. So the question you're being asked is, what is the length of the 6th side? Here's what a picture of that looks like. The perimeter of the pen is 10 meters, so what is the unknown or missing side length? You can add all the sides together. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, 7, 8, and then add on to get to 10, so 8 plus 2 is 10. You're probably going to see problems written out where all the sides showing an addition sentence of what we just did, and have a question mark or a letter of the alphabet is demonstrating filling in for the missing part, the part that's not given. And so now that we've added all that together, all of these was 8, we said. 8 plus what equals 10? And that is 2. So the missing side length of the pen that Willis built is 2 meters. This is just going through the steps, what I was just talking through with you all. And we went ahead and wrote that equation on the previous slide. Here's a couple of problems that we can practice. If you'll pause the video and read number 7. I told the students in class to actually draw a picture of the kite and label the sides and find the perimeter. This is just going back and reviewing how to find perimeter. And then number 8, you need to find the unknown or missing side length of this quadrilateral. So if you'll pause the video and actually work both of these 2 problems out and then check back with me. The kite would look like, I'm going to come down here where there's some white space. The kite might look something like this. The 2 shorter sides are 8 inches long and the 2 longer sides are 12. So if you put the 8 and 12 together, that makes 20 on one side, and then there's 20 on the other side. So the perimeter of the kite is 20 inches. 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12, or 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 12. The student in class that I drew the stick to give the answer for us to all check each other's work, they had done it like this. They multiplied 8 2 times, 12 2 times. Did I do that right? Okay, I did over here. I put the wrong one over here. I was only adding the one side, so it is 40 inches. Have to have all 4 numbers added together. The perimeter of this quadrilateral in number 8 is 18 feet. So if you're adding 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus what equals 18, all of these numbers added together is 13. So the missing side length is 5 feet. If you'll pause the video and read this problem and get the answer, check back with me. If we add all the sides, 10 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8. Instead of question mark, we're going to put 8 right there. And the total is 36. All of that is equal to 36. So 7 and 3 make a 10. And this 10, that's 20. 27 plus 8 equals 36. Did I do that right? Oh, so I added 3 when I should have. I thought something didn't work right. 10, 20, 28. So 28 plus what is 36? That would be 8. 8 feet. So the correct answer is B. Same thing here. Pause the video, work your problem out, and check back with me. Make sure you're practicing writing down the number sentence, the addition sentence of the missing part, and setting it equal to the total. So triangle, you're going to be adding 3 numbers together. 12 plus 14 plus the third side. This is what we have to figure out. That is 26 plus what equals 36. Some students, instead of adding on, they're taking the total and taking away all the side links that they know. Either way, because it's fact family, you can either add on to get to the total or take the total and take away, of course. So the missing side length is 10 feet. And the correct answer is and this one. Again, practice writing the addition sentence using a question mark. Write an equation with for the missing number and setting it equal to the total of the perimeter. The total perimeter. So we're going to add 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus question mark equals 12. 7, 8, 9, 9 plus. So the missing side length on this one is 3. All right. One last time, pause the video, find the missing side length, and check back with me. We have 5 and 5, that makes 10, and 3 and 4 make 7, so that's 17. 17 plus what equals 19 inches. And 19 minus 17 is 2, or 17 plus 2. That is the answer to the quick check. You've been sent today's math practice pages. Please print those out and work out the front and the back. Please remember to take pictures of your work and send it to me daily. That way you can be coded quarantined and not absent. If you're not turning in work, then Ms. Brooks and Ms. Barker won't let us code y'all as quarantined. So please make sure that you are doing your work every day, that you're sending pictures back to me every day. That's a whole lot easier for me to check a day's worth of work than 7 days worth all at one time. And that way we can keep up with each other every day. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll be looking for your pictures of your work.